Alright, y'all, good morning. It's day number 5, y'all. Getting ready to hit the tabletop mountain, one of the 7 wonders of the world. We still right here from the hood to South Africa, ready to see what's really hood with the wonders of the world, the tabletop mountain. So let's go and we'll also tour the city a little bit today, maybe check out some more museums. Hope it don't be no more of them spirits in there. I'm mighty sure it is, so I just gonna have to handle it this time. Last time they took over a nigga, you feel? But this time we're gonna hit it out right now to Tabletop Mountain. We out. Y'all made it to Tabletop Mountain, getting ready to go on the cable car. I never been on nothing like this, too swift. It's like hundreds of feet in the air. I done told y'all about heights, right? But we're gonna make this thing happen, right, Captain? We right here at the Tabletop Mountain. You know what I'm saying? South Africa, from the hood to Africa, family, after 400 years, for real. We do it in like this. Let's see. You see, we way up in the air already, but we ain't made it up here. Check this out, y'all. It's bad enough this is my first time going on one of these things. But the dude gonna make a song about how strong the wind is. You know what I mean? That means it's gonna be shaking and rocking all the way up. That's some sick stuff for me. You feel me? It's all good. We're gonna make this thing happen from the hood down. It's just being in line right now, trying to make it in on the cable car. And we gotta go way up in the air. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Let's hope it's safe. It's sad. First time on this thing. And dude gonna make a song talking about how strong the wind is.
For the green arrow, good to go.
Alright, family, get ready to go up on this mountain. They said the wind is very strong on the cable car. First time experience. Let's hope it withstands the wind pressure. And there you go right there.
I see people hiking. They got on hiking backpacks and everything.
Catching.
Yeah, I got them.
It's coming on down the mountain now. We're gonna make it up there today to the very top. That's the goal. But we was gonna hike it, but we don't have enough time today. Like the Adventures of the Lion said. So we're gonna take the cable car and make this an easy, fast process because we got more to explore that we want to show y'all in South Africa, Cape Town. That's how we getting there. We got some people that don't came down. They don't look like they're scared out of their wits. So we may be safe. Alright, family, it's time for us to get on this thing. I wish me luck. Dude made a song. It's windy up on the hill in the mountain. Priceless. This is gonna be a priceless event. Wait, so we rotating around. So I don't know how that's going. So we're gonna get different views either way. So they got us rotating. Something about how you do something too. First time I turn and rotate. Just keep this thing. Stay rotating around. That's crazy. It's bad enough I don't like heights. Going on up to the cable car. Going to the top. It's gonna rotate. The wind is going and shaking it. Make you go, I just can't look now. Let's go pay attention to the video. See what's going on with tabletop. Whew. What a situation right there. I don't do good with heights. Ha. We made it out though. Welcome. Okay, y'all, we stepping out. We're officially on the mountain, tabletop. It's officially up here. As you see, we are literally above the clouds. So how you get an audio to it? You have to have an app or something? Don't know, but they got me high in the sky today.
Вот это задние ноги, здесь передние ноги, он лежит на боку. Так, потом мы с вами, вот здесь была смотровая площадка, мы приехали вот сюда, на нижнюю станцию, и сейчас мы находимся вот здесь. И сейчас мы с вами пройдем по малому кругу, вы посмотрите, значит, на все эти дела. Здесь вдали их не видно, но там есть пресноводные озера, и вот это вот сам стол. А вот эта гряда гор называется 12 апостолов.
We are above the clouds, y'all. That's what's up. Got the cafe up here, y'all. Shopping, go shopping. We're trying to find out how do we find out about a tour.
Sorry, I really thought we'd be done, but it looks like we might run a little bit late. I mean, we might very well get there just on 12:30.
Beautiful. Got us on top of the world, felt like. Above clouds. You know, brothers don't, be in clouds unless it's under the wrong circumstances. They ended up in the clouds, you feel? From the hood to South Africa, this is how we're gonna do it, y'all. Let's see what they got here. Pictures. Oh, look at it. They got toilets. Just kind of showing y'all what's up here on the top of the mountain. You know what I mean? Kind of give y'all some of the view that we see. What's going down. Look at that. Look at it. The ambiance is ill. Feel lovely though. Loving it. I suggest y'all come on out to Africa for real. In any circumstance, don't believe that that they got bones in their noses and everybody's full of disease, man. That's just to keep your black ass away from it. That's the truth. We're gonna keep it moving like this. Okay, we inside the cafe right now. Seeing what's good. It's all great. Maybe they got some good eatings up in here. We're gonna find out though before it's all said and done. We're gonna catch us a meal up in this camp. But for now, with this, they call it cookies biscuits, y'all. That's different. Yeah, they call it cookies biscuits. That's new for me. That's what's up. Got some food, good stuff. We're gonna see what they got for snack on. Alright, we'll be back in here, catch a meal and see what it tastes like. Right now we're gonna try to work up our appetite, go outside, do it like that. Pigeon right there. It's a different color. The pigeon. Come here. Here you go. Different color pigeon. So we got kind of reddish color. Okay, I don't know. Oops. I'm built all types of stuff up here on this mountain. Getting some of this footage up here. Check that out, y'all. It's a fish. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go for this journey. We start stepping. Try to see what this map takes us somewhere along here. Either way, we're gonna take it on. Supposed to have different floors up here. Look at this. Now, this is interesting. It kind of reminds us of the pine tree back home, but it got this little fuzzy stuff on it. Look at that. That's different. It's still a pine. It's a form of a pine. I don't know what kind. Oh, interesting. Let's see. Okay, got some information right here, y'all. Take time to read. Find out a little bit more about our journey here. Southernmost continent. Yeah, I'll read that later. As long as I got a picture of it, we good. Let's move. Okay, we are here. So I guess we're gonna continue to walk up and try to be somewhere up there. For now, this is where we at. Which way do we go?
You can go that way.
He said, please do not feed the dads as they might bite. I know that's right.
And the guy told me to pet one.
You was ready to do it, weren't you? Let's check the view. It's a different view. Guess being 3,000 feet up in there is a little chilly. It's time for a brother to put his hoodie on. Alright, fam, we still walking up here. It's just a different experience from the Lion's Head, you know what I mean? Of course, we had to climb that joker. The Flora Kingdom. Let's see what we can find out now about the Flora Kingdom. Okay, let's take a picture of it. Try to zoom in on it if we can get the good readings in. Make sure it's focused nice. We can read it later. See what they're saying. Probably got different types of pathways around here. So we're gonna make it through it, y'all. We still got some more adventures for the day we're gonna try to do. We would have took the other tour, but they said they don't start until 11 o'clock. So we like, darn, that's 30 minutes away. We did 30 minutes worth of walking and be ahead of the game, you feel? So we just gonna stop and read, you know what I mean? Educate ourselves along the way, although we still don't know what we're talking about. We're gonna find out something. Alright, we got some more information to read, but we're not gonna sit here and read it. We're gonna take a picture of it, read it later. How about that, fam? You can do the same. I'm gonna do it like a freeze shot on it. We got a long ways to go. We gotta walk over there. 45 minutes to walk, they say. Yeah. See, this is the day we should have had all the coats and shit on. It's not cold there. Huh? We're just gonna walk the path, y'all, and just take us with us. And see where they take us. Gotta get some of this. Yeah. There we go. Alright, y'all, we high up in the atmosphere. And I'm not even waving my hands like I just don't care. definitely high up here. Guess some of our ancestors used to be up in these rocks chilling before the colonizers came. Like I said before, they seen them when they came in anyway. Off them shores. We're walking through. It does feel like this a valley, you know what I'm saying? If you don't go looking off the edges, it's like you were just, I don't know, out in the country somewhere, just walking around on some rocks. I mean, I'm just telling you what it felt like to me. You might have a different experience though. You know, everybody, you know, you got to experience your own stuff, you feel? Either way, I'm gonna walk this valley and be myself, y'all. Gone. Alright, y'all, as you walk this mountain, as you can see, some of this is unnatural stuff. Like they added concrete down for people can safely walk across this stuff. You know what I mean? If we can have a certain path to walk on. So they got a lot of concrete and stuff. Look like they done put down up in these sides of the hills. Like a little hike right there. I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna check all this out right here. Probably might have to go down through that path, see what's good. I don't know. See where it leads us. Go to the edge of the earth right here, see what's good. Oh, can't jump over that way. Got a little separation going on. I thought I could sit on the rock, but it ain't happening here today. No sir, no ma'am. No. I thought I could sit right there, but that ain't happening here today. Alright, y'all. Oh, there's a little opening. I think I seen it earlier. This look kind of interesting, y'all. It's kind of almost like some sculptures that our ancestors might have did or something. Like a face right there. Look at that. You got a piece right here out of the rock. Interesting. This is what it looks like to me anyway. It's an interesting flower right here. Very pretty. It don't look real once again. It looks like it's made out of rubber or something. But it's the real deal. Very interesting. Now I must tell you, it's winter time here. It's summertime back home right now. It's August, man. So I done went from summer to winter. And then I go back home to summertime. Another interesting rock piece. Where God make things is very interesting. Unless it's man-made. Look at that. Almost look like, I don't know, like a little tub or something maybe. You know? This is interesting how it's designed and look. And you got that right there, you know. So that look like a little design on it right there, you know? Like a dolphin or something maybe. Very interesting. Where is it? Just look. Look at that thing there. I don't know what type of bug that is, but I ain't gonna fool with it. Oh, there you go. There's some type of strange looking bug, ain't it? Almost look like a beetle or something. Maybe it's the leopard's beetle or something shit. You know what I mean? Look at that. Little lines on it and shit. Definitely different. Can I get a good close up? Catch his face features or something. Look like it may be dead. I don't know. It sure ain't moving because of our energy right here. Stop that. As usual, y'all gotta do my bird connections. Just call these birds up here. It's this one and that one there. There's another one. That one's so pretty. I'm not getting a good picture of them. Hey fam, we're still on the move. Hiking along. We're seeing what's going on this. Getting ready to go on the opposite side over there. See what's going on over there. Gonna follow that path over there. See where it takes us, family. Like this. Oh, that's the highest point up there way?
It's just a bump like this.
Uh-huh.
It's, let me show you. We are here. There's Maclear's there. It's 45 minutes there and back.
Still 45 minutes away? Wow, I thought we had
But it's a nice walk. When you get to the top there, it's flat walk.
Okay, we're trying to make it to there.
Yes, it's a good walk. Then you can see Devil's Peak here and the Southern Peninsula this side.
It's called the Southern Peninsula.
Yes, the suburbs.
Ah, and then the Atlantic go this way, right?
That's right.
Ah, the two
It's a
different
nice
oceans.
walk, yes.
Okay, all right, definitely, thank you.
This one here goes straight down to the road.
Oh, that's the hiking one.
It's straight down to the main road where you park your car.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That is the best option, yeah.
Okay then, thank you so much, sir. Alright. Alright, friend, we're walking up this jump. Trying to make the beacons, I guess. They say that's supposed to be the highest point. We don't know if we're going to be able to make it all the way. Because we really want to go see other things that's going on in Cape Town today. Jump on it, hop on, hop off bus, and learn some other history around the place. Alright. So we're going to take as much of this as we can. And see what happened, Captain. We ain't planning on hiking, but they got us anyway with it. Ain't that some mess? Let's move forward. Alright, family. They serious about the security business around here, family. Cameras are everywhere, you heard? Plus they got us on the biometric too. They know who we are. They got our fingerprints. They automatically say, look at them nigga rolls right there. Yeah, bang. Printing out our information. Wondering if we're gonna jump off this thing or not. Don't worry, we ain't that stupid. We'll continue on this path and try to make it back. Try to make it back all that way. That's where we came from. But it looked like it's some kind of way we can make it over that way. But I don't think we out for a hike today. Cause like I said, it just feel like you know what I'm saying, we just walking through the countryside, beautiful day on top of, I guess, on a mountain, and it's spiritual up here. I can't say that. It's more chill, stuff like that. But overall, as far as yeah, we gotta make it back way over there. Yeah, we're going that way. That's from Tabletop Mountain, from the hood to Afrika. Alright fam, we still up here at Tabletop Mountain, exploring the views. We're literally over top of the clouds, fam. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, one time. Hey, how you doing? Like I said before, only time brothers get to see over top of the clouds or in the clouds. It's due to a tragedy or some type, you feel? It's like walking way at the top of the earth or something, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful experience. Breathing that African air, you know what I mean? I'm telling y'all, go ahead and try to make it out here. Ain't near. Some type of bugs or something, like crickets or flying. Real near. Hey fam, we getting ready to leave up off the Tabletop Mountains. Like I said, we over the clouds right now, fam. Wonderful scene, wonderful scene. Either way, getting ready to go back down. We're going to explore the town, the city a little bit, Cape Town. You know what I mean? Enough of the mountain right now. I mean, you can see all we can see up here, you feel? Been on top of the world. So you get ready to go back down on this cable car. Wait a minute, we might go get something to eat in the calf. I told you we're gonna check out that food, mate. You know, you're in a tourist spot, it's always gonna be more money to eat your food. So we're gonna check at the prices, and if it's within our budget line, we're gonna check them out and see what we can do up here. But right now, you see what's going on there, fam. On top of the world, so to speak. Alright, family, so this is what we ended up getting, family. You know what I mean? The other price is a little bit too steep. For one slice was like 48 rands, when we can go to Pizza Hut and get a whole medium pizza for that. So we're gonna go to Pizza Hut instead of go to them for the 48 rands. So we got a little knickknacks. We ready to head on back down the mountain, and we're going to take a tour. It's still like a nice place to eat. And they had a baked cheesecake too, y'all. You know I love cheesecake, right? We out. Catch this cable car, y'all know I am about heights, right? They just don't agree with me, fam. Just one of them dudes. So we're gonna get ready to hit on out. Explore the tabletop mountain as much as we could. I feel like we're walking in the valley of the birds. You know, you're up here with God, so to speak, the Most High. You know what I mean? Like I said, look at that. Let's get some of this one. We're literally above the clouds, fam. Can y'all see that? The cloud situation back there? You can really see that? We're above the clouds, and like I've said repeatedly through this session while we up here, only time a brother from the hood get to be above the clouds or in the clouds is when it's a sad situation, you feel me? You know, things ain't go right in his life, you feel what I'm saying? And they end up in these clouds. But I'm a brother that's exploring it in a whole different fashion. And I advise you two brothers and sisters that's out there watching this, come on out and suck in that African air, you know what I mean? From the hood to South Africa, family. We out getting ready to catch that darn thing over there and ride it on down. I'll wait till I get to the marketplace before I start purchasing some good stuff, you feel? Represent CapeTown, take it back to our town, VA, you know what I'm saying? We got a good little line to go through. But we're gonna make it. Alright, family, we're live and direct from the hood to Africa, signing out. Alright, family, we get back on this damn game. I really don't like heights. See what's up, man. We get back down there. I'm already on this one. See you under the window, right? See what we got going on.
Cable car, get down the follow
She was good.
what you guys can find on the way down the back, please.
We gotta make it back there.
And we'll be leaving shortly.
Trying to see if I find any more rock climbers. I don't know how they do it. They can have that. Alright, y'all. We getting ready to get up off this thing, catch the bus, move through the city a little bit. Why it's still early. See what kind of attractions we can find out. You know what I mean? We're a little behind schedule, but we can get back on the schedule. You know? Shining out. Exit out. That's what we just got on right there, fam. It's a priceless situation.